full of strength from the municipality of Vintar.
The slingshot, a seemingly simple weapon, holds a deeper resonance within Vintar's culture, connecting directly to its history and traditions of hunting, most especially among the Imalawa people, a thriving community of indigenous people in the hinterlands of Vintar. Long before the advent of modern firearms, the slingshot served as a tool in procuring food, demanding skill and precision, as well as understanding to the surrounding environment. This practical application fostered a culture of resourcefulness and self-reliance, where young men honed their marksmanship and knowledge of the local fauna. The slingshot, therefore, isn't just an object. It is a symbol of Vintar's enduring connection to its hunting heritage, a legacy passed down through generations.
Up against the powerhouse contingents, Vintar has aggressively climbed the ranks, inching closer to the championship each year. Their performance tonight tells a tale of ambition, betrayal, and redemption. As Bileg plunges into the underworld, facing monstrous creatures and his own guilt, it is Dayao's spirit that brings him back. Will this be the year they finally claim their first championship? It's time to witness their story.
I've always believed that meticulous preparation is needed in order to win, and that is what we have always tried to achieve in Vintar.
This time, we are pushing beyond our limits.
The storytelling is more intense, the visuals more striking, and the emotions more powerful.
Every movement, every scene will take our audience deeper into our world.
This is a performance that will not just entertain, but to inspire.
The story delves into the Ilocano's understanding of the supernatural.
The journey of Bileg and Dayao is a story of redemption, sacrifice, and true leadership.
Audiences will witness breathtaking battles and hunting encounters with the underworld.
But beyond the spectacle, the lesson is clear. Power studied without honor.
We are not just performing, we are making a statement.